Hey everybody, this is Dr Manpreet Taneja. Today we'll be discussing the different types of skins. Well, we classify the skins into 4 different types. That is normal, dry, oily and combination. Let's just have a general outline as to what is the difference between these 4 skin types. Firstly, it is the normal skin. The normal skin means a very well balanced skin. That is, it is neither too oily nor too dry. Yeah, and we also have a scientific name for this kind of a skin, which is eudermic. So next is the dry skin. The dry skin usually feels tight, rough, and it gives a dull appearance. And that is because there is a lack of the sebum. And so because of this lack, the dry skin is not able to produce the necessary lipids so that the moisture can be retained. And that moisture which has to build the protective shield. Since all this is not happening very efficiently in the dry skin, so it is used to describe the skin in which the production of the sebum is less than the normal. And so the appearance which I just mentioned. So this kind of a skin is the dry skin. So next is the oily skin. Mostly, the teenagers, they think it's a sort of a problem. But anyways, we'll go to that later on. Here, let's just see what it means. Oily is just used to describe a skin type in which the sebum production rate is very high. And this overproduction of the sebum, it is known as seborrhea, and hence it leads to acne and all those skin conditions. And the oily skin, it usually has a very glossy and a shiny kind of an appearance, and the pores are visible like. So that is the oily skin. And the next is the combination skin. Yeah, you must have guessed it by now. Combination, just like the name is suggesting, it just means that it is kind of a mix of the skin types. That means that the type of the skin, it varies between the T-zone and the cheeks. So it is just that the texture, the kind of production of the sebum, it will be different at the T-zone and the cheeks. So this is the general classification of these skin types. Yeah, we also have it like some skin specialists, they have classified it into 5 types, and another term which comes up is sensitive skin. But the general classification is into these 4 types, and sensitive skin we'll discuss later on. It can be like any of these skins can be more sensitive. So basically these are the types, and now we'll be discussing later on how to take care of them, how to identify your skin types. Till then, stay tuned.